It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Wednesday, July 20th. I'm James Spann. Hot summertime weather. Headlines are forecast. Good news, models have backed off a little bit with the heat levels, but still it's going to be hot enough. Check it out. Big old upper high beginning to strengthen across the central and southern U.S. It will be an expansive heat wave. The westerlies, the storm track on top of that. There's a better look at the analysis. You can see the higher heights are centered over North Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, over into Arkansas, Missouri, 5,980 meters and through there. And we're at 596 here, so we'll be well up in the 90s every day for a while. But hey, this is late July. That's what happens here. We're in the 70s as the day begins. We'll expect a high in the mid-90s in most spots today. Heat advisories, excessive heat watches, excessive heat warnings. From the Mississippi Delta, North Louisiana, northeastern Texas, up to the Canadian border. No advisories for us, but again, it's going to be hot enough. And with the ridge, no organized severe weather. Understand, every afternoon we'll have some strong storms, and any summer storm is capable of producing a little wet microburst from time to time. And, of course, they all have a lot of lightning, but organized, no. The risks well to the east and north, pretty much the same thing tomorrow. And on Friday, slight risk for New England and parts of the Dakotas. This is the average rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday morning of next week. And again, every day we'll see scattered storms around. The distribution will not be even, but 1/2 to 1 inch on an average basis. And, of course, your number will vary. A large amount of dry air off the African deserts in the Atlantic basin, so no tropical activity anytime soon. So let's go in there and check it out in model fans. Here we go, the GFS, the 06C run, valid today at 1 o'clock. Heat bubble, a little to the west, and a classic summer day. Partly sunny, hot and muggy. Any storms should be pretty isolated today. Here's the high-res HER. Looks like the higher coverage probably over the southern half of the state. I don't think we see as many showers today as we saw yesterday. If you get one, you'll be lucky. I'll put it that way. Same thing tomorrow. And again, the models have backed off on the intensity of the heat, which is good, suggesting mid to upper 90s in here without the 100. But again, I just don't know if you can tell the difference between 97 and 100. But hot, only isolated storms. And the same thing on Friday. I'd say highs 96 to 99, partly sunny, widely spaced afternoon storms. There's the anomalies, and you can see, indeed, the GFS has backed off on the intensity of the heat where we are here. A few days ago, it looked a little more intense. If you're looking for cool anomalies, how about the Northwest, Oregon, Washington, Idaho? Saturday, a classic summer weekend, mid-90s, partly sunny, a few scattered afternoon storms. That's Sunday. Can't tell you who gets the afternoon storms or when they form. It's just random. That's the way it works. And same thing into next week. This is Monday. The coverage of the storms could increase a little bit next week as the heights come down. Surface boundary approaches from the north. This is Tuesday. That front looks like it'll be just south of the Ohio River. So maybe low 90s. Scattered showers and storms a bit more active. And this is Wednesday, and you can see a little weakness in the heat ridge developing near and just west of here. And again, hopefully that will open the door for a few spots to get a cooling shower or storm. Otherwise, classic summer weather, low 90s, partly sunny, a storm in spots. This is the end of the forecast period, the end of next week, Friday the 29th. And the higher heights are well to the west. And again, mix of sun and clouds, scattered showers and storms, highs probably low 90s. I think the European probably has the best grasp on things. You can see instead of spitting out 100s, it's got 96 and 97 through the weekend. Maybe a little more bearable. And then for next week, the end of next week and on into early August, highs closer to 90. And we can handle that. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.